Hello guys, today in this video we will talk how to check your Costco shop card balance. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to open any browser and you need to type Costco shop card balance, okay? And you will see this kind of link, like first one link, Shopco cost card balance, okay? So you need to tap on this option and you will redirect on this page. On this page you can see this kind of options, and on this page you need to enter your card number. And where is your card number? The card number is printed on the back side of your card, and you need to enter your card number and your pin number also. You need to scratch your card and you will get your pin number, and once you enter the details you need to click on check balance, okay? And if you have any physical card, so in that case your card number and your pin number is available in your email, okay? So when you enter the details you can check your Costco shop card balance. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.